Welcome to this tutorial. We will set up a Start Chat button which brings user to your preferred messaging channel, like WhatsApp, Messenger and more. First, head to the App Market on your Wix dashboard. Then type Start Chat button in the search bar. Select the one with name ends with Start Chat button. Click Add to Site and review the consent. Then, you will be redirected to the app dashboard. You can find design options, animations options, and so much more. To allow site visitors contact you through Start Chat button, add your own contact info here to both desktop and mobile link. You may set different links to meet your needs. By default, there are multiple agent profiles added. Remove them if not required. Finally, enable the button and publish changes. If you need help, reach out to our support team via the in-app chat widget. We are here to help.